What up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to do this inverse kinematic rigging. It's really easy to do. It's way more fun to work with, and you're just gonna have less headaches. So all you need is a add-on. I'll show you how to download it and how to install it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first off you gotta go onto this website and download the add-on. I'll put the link in the description. So when you download it, you're gonna get a zip file, then go back on Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install, and you're gonna get this zip file. It's called Artwork Mixamo. Double click it or just click here, Install Add-on. Then look for Mixamo and make sure this is checked. Alright, so if you click N, you're gonna get these menus. Here it has to say Mixamo, and this is basically the add-on that you just installed. So before using the add-on, we gotta optimize our clone. I have already done so. If you don't know how to upload your clone to Mixamo and then download a re-rigged version of it, I've explained everything in my last video. This is basically somewhat of a part 2. If you're not this far, you can check out the other video and then come back to this one. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is click the armature and then go on Create Control Rig. Make sure Apply Animation is off and IK Arms and IK Legs are on. IK stands for Inverse Kinematics. And that's basically it. It's this easy. So now if I go into pose mode, I can choose any part of this and move it around. So one last thing I wanted to show you is if you go back to Mixamo, I'll put this link also in the description. Let's say we're gonna choose this one. You can basically download it, choose without skin, and choose a place to save it on. Now go back to Blender, go to File, Import FBX, and select the one you've just downloaded. Scale this up just so you can see it. Now with this selected, you can go on Source Skeleton, choose this one, click Apply Animation. You see that this one will imitate the armature. If I pull this up, go on Timeline. Whoops, what is happening? Timeline, and move this around, you can see that my clone is moving just the way the downloaded rig is. So you can download anything and just apply the armature and it will imitate it. I can basically also just delete this and this will stay like this. In case you're wondering how to add a mic, I'll demonstrate that real quick. Just go into any website that has 3D models. CG Trader is one I like a lot. You can just search up mic, find one you like. Let's go for this one. I've already downloaded the FBX and the textures for it. You'll get these two files. If I go on Show in Folder, you're gonna see this zip file. You can extract this by clicking this one. And then let's go back into Blender. File, Import, FBX. Select the mic FBX you just downloaded. There we have it. If I go into Material Preview, you're gonna see it in color. If it was purple, just go on File and find Missing Files. If it's still purple after that, that means that you haven't unpacked your zip file of the textures. So yeah, anyway, this mic has 5 meshes. To make things easier, select all, Shift, click a mesh, and then Control J to join them together. Now you're gonna see it's just only one. So if I move this around, it's gonna be the whole object. Now just try to align it with the hand and just scale it, rotate it, and just make it look right. Okay, so this looks fine to me. So next thing we're gonna do is select the mic, Shift, select the armature, then go on pose mode. You're gonna see the mic is still selected. Then select part of the armature while holding down Shift, Control P, and then bone. Now if I scroll this around, you're gonna see that it sticks to the armature. Alright, I hope this helps you rig stuff easier. See ya.